update me. What's going on?
I have a bit of a subluxation pattern.
Okay.
And I've been getting adjusted for
Yeah.
quite a few years.
Okay.
From sort of clenching subconsciously at night and bruxism,
Okay.
I get this I don't know, subluxation going on that impacts my whole left side.
Okay.
So I'm feeling a little bit nausea.
Yeah.
And my left eye wants to close. I have had sciatica from all the travel.
Okay.
And kind of my tongue feels like it's in spasm. It feels like my jaw's not sitting
Okay.
right. There's like not enough room for my tongue to sit flat and relaxed.
Okay. Gotcha. So let's get your earrings off.
Okay.
We'll get you checked out.
Yeah.
We'll get you checked out from top to bottom.
Yeah.
And we'll get you going. So let's go face down. Ooh, so you did great after that last adjustment?
Yes.
Okay, good. And when are you heading back home?
Saturday morning.
Okay, cool. All right, so what we're going to start with is we're going to start with our what's called functional leg check. So we're going to look at your leg length discrepancy. So short on the left, crossing over on the left. And what we'll do is we'll get you adjusted, and after we adjust you, if there's any residual stuff going on, we'll do some low-level laser therapy. So we'll expose you to that. It's really great stuff. Great. So the mid-dorsal, these will go real nice, but we'll do it after. Okay, lay down on this side of your body, facing us. On your side, good. So enjoying New York?
I think, yeah. It's going to be hard to leave.
Let's here. Switch. I got you right here. Take a nice deep breath in. And don't help me. Those toes. Good. Flat on your back. You okay with that one?
Yeah.
Great. This is my favorite move because it moves so well. I'm going to have you sitting up. 1, 2, 3. So just like that. Remember this one?
No. Oh, the hugging myself.
Yeah. 2 down. You okay with that?
Yeah, that's not eating.
Breathe that one in. That was huge. A lot of tension release there. Awesome.
Okay, what are we doing? Because I'm dizzy.
Okay, we're gonna go face down, nice and slow.
Okay.
It was a big release, huh?
But I mean, I was already feeling dizzy and stemming from the upper cervical for sure. So.
Yeah, that's gonna move. That's next. That was the first thing that stood out.
Yep.
That needed to move big time.
So, I know you know this, I never stand behind when I do the Vegas. So what I do is I stand to the side. So I went through a couple of female reps. How would you move?
You're right. So flat on your back, it makes it easier for me to adjust you that way.
Right. So since I just go like that. I'm always oblique. Never stand. Yeah. I do it step back. Sitting.
Oh man.
Very jammed.
Yeah. Can't think clearly with that.
No.
Okay, can I take a nice deep breath in? And relax. Wiggle your toes. Push it down. Plump. Love that. Down. Drop. Wiggle those toes. Easy. Even easier. Take a nice deep breath in. And all the way up. Okay, good. That was amazing. Open your mouth. Close. Open. Close. Can you breathe a little bit easier after that?
I haven't tried. I'll let me use a few deep breaths.
A couple deep breaths in. Let it out. And then what we're going to do is we're going to laser your vagus nerve. That'll really put you in a very parasympathetic, relaxed state.
Okay.
Okay, so sit up, put that on pause for a second.